Hi guys, welcome to Butte Mountain Homestead. Let's see, I have so many projects going on. I'm trying to keep videos separated so that they're not long, but I bought these raised beds a while back. Can't remember. Oh, I was going to use them originally for the sweet potatoes, and then I changed my mind. So I am going to use them for probably squash or something like that. But when I got this box, I thought there's no way that these are a foot tall, because they're supposed to be a foot tall and I think 2 feet around, I believe. They sent them in centimeters, but I know what I was online. But when I opened them, I saw that the panels are this way, so they are that long. They are a foot tall. So then hopefully there's enough, there should be enough in here to do two. It's kind of heavy. So they send you all the goodies. I'm assuming all of those are going to go to all of this business. Send you some gloves, so, and a screwdriver. So I'm going to get after it, and I will show you when I'm done. Okay, it took about 20 minutes. I think the next one's not going to take as long because now I'm doing it on the lawn. I'm kind of getting my groove going, and I wanted to make sure that they were all overlapping correctly. A little bit of OCD, not too bad, but yeah. And then just trying to get this stuff started. It's got like a metal piece in there, so I'm gonna have to like smush that down. But and then trying to keep these things from hooking. I mean, that's why they give them to you, so you don't cut yourself. But anyways, yeah, so it's 1 foot tall and 2 feet across, so pretty cool. I'll get the other one done and show you what they look like all done. And I will try to link them in the description. I'm not an affiliate or anything, just showing you what I buy and what the quality is best I can. I mean, I haven't planted in them yet, but I think they were 2 for 40 bucks. They came two a pack, like $39.48 or something like that. And I think there was a coupon at the time. But anyways, I'll link it or put a picture on the screen. So sometimes I don't know about the linking if it works because I'm not an affiliate. So I will do my best. Okay, they're all done. So now I just need to get some soil and get some squash. I think I'm going to do squash. Yeah, because I already have cantaloupe and honeydew. I'm going to do sweet potatoes. So yep, I'm just going to put squash in them. Not sure where, but I'm thinking, sorry that was a little fast, I'm thinking the fire pit area, because we can't use that during the summertime anyways because of fire danger, and all that turned into a big old tinder box. So I might set them out there, and yeah, and then just run drip to them, and yep, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll just move the fire pit, weed leaning on its side when it rains, so that way it doesn't fill up and rust out the bottom. So I'll just move that over behind the wood box or something. And then, yeah, just set those up. That'll probably be rattlesnake heaven, but I'll try to be as careful as possible. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. But, yeah, just thought a quick little video on putting these together would be kind of fun for you guys. So have a great day. Remember to always be kind and do what makes you happy. Bye. Thanks, guys.